to Royal Audio Tunes.
See, I was left in the dark and even left in the rain. Demanded that I change just so I can hang with the big dudes from the hood and be a part of a gang. No, it do not make no sense, but just let me explain. They had all of the money and the girls and chains. Watching Louis Vuittons with the cars and things. They cars would go boom and the girls would smile. Laying with pretty chicks had me tempted for a while. They said it was pumping last night, if you know what I'm saying. He said he laid with my mom. They said, bro, I'm playing. Nah, F that, you better watch what you saying. He said, cool it down, bro. I said, I was just playing. I said, haha, bro, I know, me too, I'm playing. Then we walked back to the crib for some video games. And as I walked up, I could hear someone scream. You would never guess what I seen when I came in. The devil, he turned all of my friends into backstabbers. See the devil, he turned all of my friends into backstabbers. You know the devil, he turned all of my friends into backstabbers. And then the devil said, I turned all of your friends into backstabbers. That's why I keep the angels with me. When I walked in, I saw my girlfriend on top of my other friend. They were both naked and I was so stuck in confusion. I was so angry as a tear fell from my left eye. My other friend left and said, come on, guy. Come on, guy. Come on, guy. I said, what you mean? I'ma get to the bottom of this. And that's what I mean. I said, babe, what you doing? How could you play me? Why? She said,
you seduced me. It wasn't me, baby.
Nah. I said, girl, who you think you fooling now? You think I'm dumb? I see you acting stupid now. I said I loved you, gave you all of me. You acted like you did too. Why'd you play with me? I gave you my heart, I even pray with you. And when you wanted sex, I wouldn't lay with you. If that's what this about, I save myself for you. Well, it is what it is. It's cool, I pray for you still. The devil, he turned all of my friends into backstabbers. See the devil, he turned all of my friends into backstabbers. You know the devil, he turned all of my friends into backstabbers. And then the devil said, I turned all of your friends into backstabbers. That's why I keep the angels with me. Yeah, I don't really think they understand what it is. Guess I ain't never had no backstab in your life. Nah, I never had it. Let me tell you the rest of the story. And now we getting to the bottom of this, as I hear my other friends say, it was my fault, man, Ray, I should take the blame. I said, what you mean? You better speak up. Let's go. The way I'm feeling right now, you gon' have to speak up. Okay. I don't wanna take nothing you say out of context. He said me, Sean, and Lisa was at my complex. Then Sean said, Lisa looking right. Matter of fact, he said she looking bad that night. He said, I said, bro, cool it. Then he said, that's right, chick. He said, he ain't hitting it right. I said, man, back it up. Cause you know that ain't right, man. Now I'm ready to fight. Okay. Then he said, Ray, man, that's light. Just forgive. I said, man, no, that ain't right. Okay. Yeah, that ain't right. I walked up the door and said, that ain't right. See the devil, he turned all of my friends into backstabbers. See the devil, he turned all of my friends into backstabbers. You know the devil, he turned all of my friends into backstabbers. And then the devil said, I turned all of your friends into backstabbers. That's why I keep the angels with me.
To Royal Audio Tunes.